everybody. I hope you are well. So, my experience with creating an online assessment was actually pretty, I thought it went pretty well. I used my previous and current observations of how friends and family seem to perceive Halloween. I have quite a few girlfriends who that's their favorite holiday and they go all out. They, attend parties every single year and dress up, and they just really seem to enjoy it. Um, and this would include my mom, my stepmom growing up. She's always decorated for every single holiday and has gone all out. I mean, she's one of the ones that have the big, huge, yard displays, and the whole entire house transforms into whatever holiday or to represent whatever holiday we are coming up on. So I used my course learning outcomes and my module learning outcomes as a guide as well. I refrained from creating multiple choice and true and false type questions because I want to hear what my students' views are prior to the course, and I don't want to lead them. I want to know what they know. I want to see what they know coming into the class. And this is very important because, to learn where they are at, prior to taking the course, so that I can um, plan and come up with something that would be fun and engaging for them, and where they can get the most out of the lesson. So I've always enjoyed Halloween and the supernatural elements that come with it. This week I observed how the general population reacts to decorating and preparing for traditions that come with the holiday. And of course, this month, Halloween. I looked through some websites that I listed in last week's assignments, and I also explored the website that Dr. Johnson emailed to me. 30 cool facts about Halloween, or 30 cool Halloween facts, I think it is, and it's written by Desiree O in September of 2019. A big part of this course is having an understanding of why we celebrate our days and how it all began, specifically this Halloween. Um, I noticed that many of our movies and TV shows also share some of these ideas, like the popular one, Halloween Town. And when a portal opens at a certain time during Halloween, that allows those from the different worlds to interact. Now, now don't quote me on this, but I think that the idea is if somebody from our world or their world comes in, if you don't get back to the portal at a certain time during the full moon, it closes and you're stuck there until the next full moon on Halloween. So, let's see. My online assessment does align to my CLOs because the questions are directly related to them and they cover the origins and traditions, including me asking for at least one similarity and difference between Halloween and the Day of the Dead, which are both covered in the course learning outcomes. So initially, I felt very comfortable in doing my course shell, creating my course shell, although afterwards I experienced some technical difficulties that I wasn't sure how to correct. In the end, I decided the best course of action and approach is clear communication. If I knew everything, I wouldn't be here. And so learning takes some time and requires patience, something that I've come to, terms with. And it requires trust and patience that your professor will guide you along the way. And I am really looking forward to the rest of this course and learning as we continue to go through this journey. So, all right, I look forward to hearing your feedback, and have a good evening.